If you're looking to blend luxury design with high-end functionality in moisture-prone areas, the Soulaca 43-inch Smart Mirror TV offers an intriguing proposition. Promising a mirror-by-day aesthetic, 4K video playback, waterproof reliability, and smart features like webOS, Alexa, and Bluetooth audio, it sounds like a game-changer for bathrooms, kitchens, and hospitality settings. But does it live up to the hype? Today, we break down its performance, features, and installation to help you decide. Soulaca's TV sports a frameless mirror front when powered off, creating a seamless decorative element. When turned on, its screen transforms into a 4K UHD display. The IP65 rated panel is fully waterproof and dustproof, allowing safe operation amid steam, splashes, or kitchen spills. Installation is flexible. Mount flush in wall using the recessed dimensions, or attach via VESA millimeter brackets. The stainless build and concealed wiring maintain a clean, modern look. If you are looking for prices or a special discount, be sure to visit our link in the video description. With 8 million pixels at 60 frames per second, the 4K panel delivers crisp detail and vibrant HDR10 colors, 4 times the clarity of 1080 pixels. The 43-inch size balances visibility without overwhelming smaller spaces. Built-in dual speakers provide clear Dolby Atmos style audio. For enhanced sound, Bluetooth lets you pair external speakers or headphones. webOS's AI scaling engine upscales lower resolution content to nearly 4K, maintaining consistent sharpness across diverse sources. webOS offers an intuitive interface, voice control, and easy access to streaming apps. Using built-in Alexa or Google Assistant, you can search content, switch apps, or control smart home devices hands-free. Additional modes, like mirror-off standby and customizable sleep timers, cater to varied usage in hospitality or home environments. Regular firmware updates ensure evolving app support and feature enhancements. So, the Soulaca 43-inch Smart Mirror TV stands out by merging elegant mirror design with robust smart TV capabilities and true IP65 waterproofing. While the price point is higher than standard living room sets, its specialized durability and dual-purpose aesthetics justify the investment for luxury bathrooms, kitchens, or commercial venues. If you need a stylish, moisture-resistant display that doubles as a mirror and all-in-one entertainment hub, this model is certainly worth considering.